Hey, I'm Lilith, product owner at Hoory AI. Welcome to Hoory AI's How-To series. In this episode, I will show you how to create your Hoory AI account. Let's get started. Open hoory.com and click the Get Started button at the top right corner of your screen. This action will navigate you to the sign up page. Sign up via Google or fill in the required fields: name, company, email, and password. Click the Create Account button. Choose a pricing plan and a billing cycle. It could be either monthly or yearly. As you can see in this screen, Hoory AI offers you 4 main pricing plans: personal, startup, team, and business. Each of them offers a different set of features and functionalities. Unlike most customer support automation tools that charge you per ticket resolution, Hoory AI doesn't limit you in usage volume. You pay for as many seats as you add support agents, and you can add agents whenever you want. Lastly, if the default pricing plans don't match your business needs, you can contact us and we will create a custom plan just for you. And the great thing is that there is no need for a credit card attachment at this point. After choosing a pricing plan, your Hoory AI multifunctional dashboard will automatically appear on your screen. Now, since you already have your Hoory AI account, I will let you experiment with the available features on your own. That's it for now. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop a comment below. I will see you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!